In this video, we'll show you how to replace your S-type trimmer head. This guide can be followed for all GREENWORKS string trimmers featuring our S-type trimmer head. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Let's get started. Your string trimmer came with a small metal rod and a 14mm wrench. This rod is used to brace the trimmer head in order to remove the nut inside the housing. A small screwdriver can also be used. Insert the metal rod into the angle transmission hole on the base of the trimmer. Rotate the trimmer head until the holes are aligned and the rod engages with the hole in the trimmer head. Push the tabs on the sides of the trimmer head at the same time to remove the spool cover along with the spool and spring. Please note that the bolt is reverse threaded. Loosen the nut using the supplied 14mm wrench. Remember to turn it clockwise. Remove the trimmer head. Your new trimmer head will have come assembled. To install it, you must take the spool cover, spool, and spring out. Place the trimmer head housing onto the base and reinstall the nut. Tighten the nut counterclockwise using the wrench. Reinstall the spring, spool, and cover. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.